Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Limpier Cleaning channel. Today, we've got something special for all you Celina residents, a fresh start for your apartment with our professional cleaning services. Buckle up, and let's dive into how Limpier can elevate your apartment living experience. Your apartment is more than just walls and furniture. It's your haven, your retreat. But let's face it, keeping it clean and organized can be a real challenge, especially in the midst of our busy lives. That's where Limpier Cleaning Services comes in, offering you more than just a clean space. We're offering a fresh start. At Limpier, we understand the importance of a spotless and well-maintained living space. Our team of professional cleaners is not just here to clean. They're here to transform your apartment into a sanctuary that reflects your lifestyle. What sets Limpier apart? We don't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. Our professional cleaning services in Celina are tailored to meet the unique needs of your apartment. From dusting to floor care, kitchen and bathroom cleaning, we've got it all covered. Let's talk about our team. Experienced, trustworthy, and dedicated to bringing excellence into your home. We understand the importance of trust, and our team is not just skilled in cleaning, but also respectful and courteous. Limpier's professional apartment cleaning services take a comprehensive approach. We leave no corner untouched, ensuring a thorough and effective cleaning process. From dusting to floor care, kitchen to bathrooms, we've got you covered. And because we care about more than just cleanliness, our cleaning solutions are eco-friendly, safe for your living space, your family, and the environment. It's a fresh start without compromise. What makes Limpier special? It's our attention to detail, our commitment to customer satisfaction, and the care we invest in making your apartment a haven. We're not just cleaning, we're providing a fresh start for you. So, if you're ready for a fresh start in your apartment in Celina, Limpier is here for you. Contact us today for professional cleaning services that go beyond cleanliness, services that elevate your living experience, your sanctuarians. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more cleaning insights, and share your apartment cleaning stories or questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy cleaning!